In today's video, I will walk you through how to jump back to a specific date in MT5. If you're using MetaTrader 5 for manual backtesting, jumping back to a specific date can save you from scrolling through large amounts of chart history. Instead of manually moving back on the chart, you can use a built-in shortcut to go directly to the date you want. Start by opening the chart that you want to work with. Before using the date shortcut, make sure Auto Scroll is turned off. Locate the Auto Scroll button on the toolbar at the top of MetaTrader 5. If the button is enabled, click it once so it becomes deselected. This step is important because the shortcut won't work correctly if Auto Scroll is still active. After you've turned off Auto Scroll, press the Enter key on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, you'll notice a small input field appear in the lower left corner of the chart. This is where you'll enter the date you want to jump to. Type the date using the format of day, month, and year. For example, if you want to jump to the 23rd of February 2005, enter the date in that format. Once you've entered the date, press the Enter key on your keyboard again. MetaTrader 5 will immediately move the chart to the date you entered. Instead of scrolling back through candles manually, the platform takes you directly to that point in the chart history. You can repeat this process whenever you want to move to another date. Simply leave Auto Scroll turned off, press Enter to display the input field, type a new date using the day, month, and year format, and press Enter again. Each time you do this, the chart will jump directly to the date you've entered. This makes it much faster to navigate through historical price data, especially if you're working with lower time frame charts where scrolling back manually can take a long time. If you move to another chart and want to use the same shortcut again, first check that Auto Scroll is still turned off. Then press Enter, wait for the date field to appear in the lower left corner, type your date in the correct format, and press Enter once more. The platform will once again move straight to that date. If nothing happens after pressing Enter, verify that Auto Scroll is not enabled. Once Auto Scroll is deselected, the shortcut should display the date field as expected. From there, all you need to do is enter the date and confirm it with the Enter key. That's all there is to jumping back to a specific date in MetaTrader 5. By turning off Auto Scroll, opening the date field with the Enter key, entering your date, and pressing Enter again, you can move directly to any point in your chart history without manually scrolling through the chart. Thank you for watching.